So in this question, they're asking us to get a number from 1 to 10 from this user and print it in the form of words. Now, let us see how to write in the form of program. First, let us get the number from 1 to 10. So n is equal to int input enter a number between 1 and 10. So if n equal to 1, we have to print it as 1. And if n equal to 2, then you have to print it as 2. If n equal to 3, then we have to print it as 3. If n equal to 4, have to print it as 4. The same thing follows till 10. Then we are going to use the else statement to make sure that the number is always entered between 1 and 10. So else is to print you didn't enter a number between 1 and 10. Now let us see how this works. Enter 5 as a number, so we should print as 5.